Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an excellent day, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about my intro. So obviously you've seen it in the beginning, so I don't need to play it again, but I thought it was a huge jump from my old intro, which I'll show right now. You can see it's real short, and yeah, it's pretty bum, but the new one is pretty awesome. I really had fun making it. I wanted to just show you guys what I use. So I use something called HitFilm Express. You can see it here. So I will go into my project here, and I'll show you guys what I did. So this has been a really good learning experience for me. My first time really using keyframes, but hey, the power of YouTube, right? So let me go ahead and find this here. Let me drag back the play. So if I show you guys this right here, you can see the little dots. So that is each of the frames playing out. So when I move this back a couple frames, let me go ahead and do this here, you can see it goes through each of these motions that I've set it to. So there's the beginning point right there. Now it starts going down through each of the motions. Now I just set a keyframe. So what I did was I went to this point right here and I set a keyframe. So let me go ahead and hit here, and you guys can see I set the keyframe right there. Now if I go over a couple frames, this frame right here, you can see that there's where I set the keyframe there. That was the end of it. So it would travel through that, and the computer would itself make all the frames in between. So let me zoom in here, and then after that frame it was supposed to slowly move to the next frame, which is right here. See, I can play with this and stuff however I want to do it. Just depends. See, I can move it around, so now when I play it will move over there instead of somewhere else. So that's what I used. I had a lot of fun making this. If you guys have any critiques, make sure to comment down below, and I'll take a look at those, and if I think it's a great idea, which hopefully I do, and I will shout you guys out in the next video when I make the changes to that. So as always, have a nice day. See you in the next video.